Today, we're going to dive into WhatsApp and learn how to lock your chats for added privacy. Let's get started. Alright, start by opening WhatsApp. Tap on it to open the app. Now, find the chat you want to lock. Swipe left on a specific chat and tap on 3 lines. A menu will pop up. Look for the option that says Lock Chat. Tap on it. You might be asked to confirm your fingerprint or Face ID to proceed. This is an extra layer of security. Once you've confirmed, the chat will disappear. Now I will close WhatsApp and reopen it. To find Locked Chat, just swipe down where all of the chats are, and you will see a section called Locked Chats. Tap on it, and it will ask for your Face ID, or touch it, and Locked Chats will appear. And that's it! It's a simple process that can add a significant boost to your privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.